mechanical introduction about our biomass particle furnace. These are two 360 furnaces. It can provide 3.6 million kilocalories per hour. Now, let's take a look at this production line. The length of the host is 12.5 meters. The heat exchanger is up to 8.5 meters. Each furnace equips 12 30-ton dryer. It mainly made by this part. First, the feeder elevator. The fuel from dustpan into inner fuel bin in the furnace. This part is feed channel. There, we set up automatic on-demand valves so that the fuel can into combustion chamber evenly. This is furnace chamber. It adopts a chain-roll transfer combustion method, and this part's a smoke removal system. After combustion, ash into the ash discharge screw conveyor. This is combustion fan. Our product full range with highly automated control system, auto feeding, auto ash removal, auto smoke removal system. Once the fire stabilized, now we can run it automatically. Safe, stable, reliable, and energy-saving. Choose Anhui Jinshan. Our furnace deserve your believing.